guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a recipe. If you are new here, my name is Alva, and if you're not, then welcome back. So for today, I will be doing a recipe. It will be overnight oats, which could be used, in my opinion, either as pre-workout, post-workout, morning, or even nighttime. You could lunch if you'd like. I like oatsy type of meals for either the morning, post, pre-workout, or even at night. I actually really like breakfasty foods at night. So they're basically oats but served cold. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of jump into the video. First thing, these are Tres Leches overnight oats created by Christine from Gauge Girl Training. This meal is out of her 6-week shred Latin American version, hence the Tres Leches ingredient to it that makes it a little bit different. So for the ingredients, you are going to want oats. I have mine right here. You're going to want some protein isolate, so some whey protein. This is the one that I am using. This is from Chike Nutrition, and it is their very vanilla flavor, and these do have a little bit more carbohydrates than other type of isolate proteins that are on the market, but this is just the one I'm using because I really like the flavor. You're going to need unsweetened coconut milk. You're also going to need condensed coconut milk. Here I have the light coconut milk. You're going to need some Cool Whip, some cinnamon, and some pure vanilla extract. So these are the ingredients that you're going to want, and you're going to either want a shaker cup or like a little mason jar that you could flip around and shake all of the ingredients. If you're interested in purchasing the 6-week shred, I do have a code that will give you $50 off. I am an affiliate with her. That is Alva50. Her 6-week shreds are intended to start off a weight loss program, or if you plateaued and you want something to push yourself, they're really good for that. It will definitely make you lose some weight, and a lot of the meals in there are super yummy. And if you're Hispanic or Latin, I think it'll really be up your alley. There is also a Spanish version available for those who just do better in reading Spanish. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I have here my little measuring scale. You don't necessarily need one, but I just always do better with them. We're gonna be doing half a cup of oats. So it says here half a cup dry is 40 grams, which is 150 calories. These come very in handy sometimes for things like this. So this is 11 grams, 12 grams, 24, 34. So boom, 40 grams of Quaker oats to the side. Now, next you're gonna want some of your protein in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put 2 scoops. So 2 scoops of Chike Nutrition's protein. Their meal replacements is 28 grams of protein, 11 grams of carbohydrates, 190 calories for 2 scoops. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. Boom, there you go. That is 2 scoops of the protein. You could use whatever protein you'd like. If you're short on your carbs and your macros, or you don't want to consume as many carbs, you could use something with 2 grams of carbs or 1 gram of carbs. I'm gonna go ahead and drop some of the coconut milk. So it says in the recipe 1/4 of a cup. So 1 cup is, I believe, 8 fluid ounces, 240 millimeters. So I'm going to have my husband just help me out with this.
8 ounces, so it's 2 ounces.
8 ounces is a cup, so
It's so 1/4 is 2.
2 ounces?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna pour in here 2 ounces of the coconut milk. Now 2 tablespoons of the uncondensed coconut milk. I have never done this before, so I'm gonna have my husband help me out. Can you open this up for me? I'm so sorry.
We can't open that.
Why? We don't have a can
can
opener? Alright, so I'm going to, for now, skip the uncondensed coconut milk part because I don't have a can opener. Why would I not be prepared for this video? I'm gonna go ahead and put 9 grams of the Cool Whip. This is the sugar-free. I believe this is fat-free, is it? No, but it is just the sugar-free version, I guess. There's a lot of different types of these. I'm just using one of these scoopers. This might be a little bit more than 9 grams. Oh, that's messy. That's barely 2 grams, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Oh my god, 16 grams. Okay, so I did 2 servings of that. I'm probably going to split this into 2 meals. So that's probably what I'm going to do. Not even just because of the amount, just because I put in 2 scoops of protein, and then it's a very, very filling meal. So either I'm gonna have this post-workout or I'm going to have it separated into 2 meals, just in case you feel like it's a lot of food. Now we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Here we have cinnamon. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of the cinnamon and then 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. This smells really good. I wish I could like have you guys smell it. Okay, so ignore my Cool Whip that's like sticking out. But that looks like yummy to me. Doesn't it look yummy to you? So I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for the uncondensed coconut milk. I need a can opener. Oh my god. So I went ahead and put in the shaker in the fridge for now. I thought I would show you guys how I would go about tracking this. So I am gonna be screen recording, and I will have it somewhere here on the screen so you guys can see. I'm gonna open my Lifesum app. I'm going to go to my lunch. You go to your favorites. I'm gonna create a recipe. I'm gonna call this leches. I'm doing 1 serving, and then like that, if I want to do 2 servings, then you could just put 0.5 and it works perfectly fine. Add food to recipe. So this gets very, very easy in my opinion. It has a scan barcode. All I'm going to do is scan this. I'm doing it says here half a cup, 40 grams, which is a serving. Yeah, so 150 calories for that. That has 27 grams of carbs, 5 grams of protein, 3 grams of fat. Add to recipe. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get the Chike nutrition bottle. Now, I do not think this barcode is here on Lifesum, so I'm gonna show you guys what I would do next. If you look up Chike Nutrition on any of these apps, things should start to come out. So I found one that is very, very similar, which is Chike as well. This is the banana nutrition shake. The macros on this in Lifesum are 28 grams of protein, which is the same as this one, 28 grams of protein, 12 grams of carbohydrates. This one has 11, so it's really only off by 1, and 3.5 grams of fat, 190 calories. So I'm just going to use this. It's off by a carb, but it's fine, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the recipe. And then I did 2 servings of the Cool Whip. Did I do 2 servings? Yeah. So I just do 2. The milk. I believe I did 3 or 4 ounces of the, I'm going to put 3.5. Add it to the recipe. And then I did ground cinnamon. You could just have this to have it like in your recipe. I don't believe it's really that much. $17 calories for a teaspoon. Just gonna do 1.5. I don't think I did that much. 1. And then vanilla extract. Yeah. Didn't pop up, so just gonna look it up. And now before I even do the condensed milk, like before I put it in, I'm just gonna go ahead and track it. So again, the barcode. Went ahead and got it. It tastes of Thai coconut milk is what it says here. And let's just make sure it matches. So it says here that this is 50 calories, 4.5 grams of fat, and 2 grams of carbohydrates, and 1 gram of protein, which is correct. So it says here in the recipe that it's only going to be 2 tablespoons, while this is, it just says here 1/3 of a cup serving size. So I'm going to, this is a little bit hard for me to do. 2 tablespoons, I technically would measure it in like fluid ounces or in grams, but it's not showing me. So in a situation like this, it would say that 0.80 millimeters. I'm gonna look that up real quick on Safari. So this is when it gets a little bit complicated, but as you guys saw, for most of the items, it was easy. So 1 serving of this is 2.7 fluid ounces. So I'm gonna do half of that. Which would be 1.3 fluid ounces. So now I just know that. So that would bring it down to 25 calories for half a serving of this, which is 80 milliliters, which is 2.7 fluid ounces. So half of that is like 1.2. It gets a little numerical and mathematical, but for the most part, it's very easy. This was the only thing I had a little bit of complication with. So I went ahead, added that to my recipe, and now I have everything in here that is in my recipe done. Instructions, shake it all up. So now it shows up here, tres leches overnight oats, 446 calories, 34.9 grams of protein, 50 grams of carbs, and 13 grams of fat. So this is definitely a meal. This is, in my opinion, like a perfect post-workout meal or a perfect pre-workout meal. It's just like good to go. You don't need any snacks with this. You don't need any sides. It's just all in one, ready to go. So I am just gonna go ahead now, and it's already in my favorites, so I don't have to save it. But now I know that I'm all done, and if I just wanna track this, that took me 12 minutes to track while I showed you guys, etc. But now it's just done. So I could go ahead and do this recipe over and over again, and it's already ready for me to go. I don't need to like punch everything in and do it all over again. It's just there, ready to go. All I need to know is the amounts. That's the only tricky thing. All right, so we got the can open. I'm gonna go ahead and pour 1.7. Oh, almost got it. Oh shit. Why do I always do that to myself? I went over to 2.3, which almost is like a serving size. So what I'm gonna do is go back to the settings, back to the recipe. This is actually really easy to do. So just 1 cup, which is 50 calories. And there we go. So this is all ready to go now. All ready to go. You could shake it like immediately if you want, or you could just like kind of mix it up, which is what I'm gonna do, and then put it in the fridge. So by the time I come home and eat this, it's probably gonna be like 3 hours, I wanna say. So I'm going to see you guys in 3 hours after my workout. my tres leches overnight oats in a little bowl and ate it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like when it's all said and done. To be real, it does not look picturesque, but it is so good. I'm gonna make sure that before I finish it, I get it in a mason jar and like add some strawberries so I can take a photo for it. But this is what the bowl looks like. It is not that I wasn't expecting it to be good, but it actually has that like tres leches taste. Really bomb. I didn't expect anything less from Christine Agaetro. This is delicious. There's a chocolate Mexican pudding, protein pudding that I'm going to be doing next. But this is so good. It tastes like a cake. That's the best way to put it. And there was no like super extra sugary anything thrown in here, you know. That concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching my cooking recipe. This was super fast to make. My first time making it. Definitely will be making it again because it is really, really yummy. I definitely recommend it if you are a tres leches fan, overnight oats fan, or you just want to try something new and healthy that's very, very filling, because oats and protein, like protein powder together, is very, very filling. So with that being said, I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That would help me out so much. And yeah, subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll go ahead and link down below Christine's channel and her 6-week shred. Again, my code is Alva50. You get $50 off anything on her website, like any of the plans. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.